My name is Nova and I'm a sneaker reseller. Join me in my journey where I turn hype sneakers into riches. The last chance for me to get these are going to be on Shopify websites. Oh my god, dude, I got one. No way, bro. These no trade dunks came in the mail today, but this pair of shoes are super duper clean. February, things should be really heating up as far as what drops are coming out. Let's see how we do on those on the next episode. It's about 3 a.m. and we are expecting ambush dunks to be dropping anytime from between now up until 4 a.m. So there's a good chance we're going to be waiting around for a really long time, solving a lot of captchas. Hopefully we end up with one. Otherwise, I'll be really upset for just staying up for no reason. Dude, this is trash. If it does not drop at like 4:15, then I'm going to sleep, bro. I hate drops like this. Okay, it is now 4:16. I think I'm gonna just go ahead and try to sleep before the 10 a.m. releases, because who knows when they're gonna drop, if they're even ever going to drop. At this point, I'm over it. Hopefully we get something later today. I am so glad I did not stay up because they ended up not dropping. Can you imagine the other people who decided to stay up? And this is why I absolutely hate shock drops, is because you can stay up all night long just for a chance for them to drop. And if they do drop, you have a small chance of getting the item. Personally, not my thing. Anyways, we have a few websites dropping these. I don't think I'm going to get them, especially if I'm not on point with solving H captchas, and I haven't hit anything on Nike sneakers in a while, but nevertheless, we're going to give it a go. Hopefully we can get at least one. Stock flew. My captchas weren't that bad, but they could have been better. Yeah, kind of just took an L there. Today was supposed to be a legendary day. We were supposed to get Jordan 1 trophy rooms, and we were gonna get a good amount of stock, 12,000 stock. So if you can imagine, if most of those went to the trophy room website and they had good anti-bot, then there's a good chance that a lot of people would have been able to cop. Maybe sometimes even multiples. I remember the trophy room Jordan 5s, those were pretty easy to cop, and I wasn't really all that good with botting at the time either. If there's a sneaker that's double that stock that would have been available on trophy room, that would have been a huge cookout for basically a lot of people. But as some of you guys may know, that is definitely not going to be the case anymore. Maybe around 80 to 90% of the stock got backdoored. So that means if you manage to get these for a retail price, then it's kind of like winning a lottery. It's a drop that's basically impossible to get, unless of course you're willing to pay resale price, but of course that's not what we're about. So to try and cover their tracks, what they're gonna do is a raffle on their website, which I know this is going to be one of the biggest BS raffles. I predict that hardly anyone's going to win relative to how much stock was actually supposed to be put out, so that's quite unfortunate. However, we do have another Jordan 1 dropping. We're going to be going for these. Stock is looking okay-ish. They are going to be pretty limited, but not impossible to get. The bad part is that there aren't too many websites releasing this, so they're still going to be really tough. Hopefully we get at least one. Let's see what ends up happening.
Hey, this shit wavy.
This is not looking good. I am stuck in the queue. Might have started a little bit too late. Man, I only have one task. Oh, what is happening? Like, there's nothing that dropped. Okay, it looks like Shop Nice Kicks didn't drop yet, but that's good because my shits were stuck in the queue up until right now, basically. These captures aren't looking terrible either. This one in particular is doing work. Oh shit, he just dropped. Come on, what the hell? Only like these small sizes? Size 4 men's? I'm stuck on shipping, dude. That's not good. TSB had a decent amount of success. However, as for me, I have a feeling that I need to replace my accounts because I haven't hit on these accounts in a while, and back when I first bought them, I was hitting on them like literally like every single drop that I went for I hit using TSB. So that makes me think I gotta replace these. That's the tricky part with Nike. It's not easy to 100% pinpoint when it's time to replace your accounts, or if there's something wrong with your setup in particular, or maybe it's your proxies. We don't know for sure, but I've tried many different setups and it has been a while since I've hit, so maybe they've clipped my accounts, shadow banned it, whatever. So we're gonna try and get those replaced, hopefully sooner than later. Today we have Jordan 14 Clots dropping. Gonna be honest, I really don't think I'm going to be able to get this. These are really limited. They dropped earlier on DSM and they dropped like probably less than 10 pairs, and then they're going to be dropping again at 10 a.m. on the sneakers app and maybe on some Shopify websites. I basically don't have any expectations for today. I'm going for it just to go for it. Alright, let's just get on with this and take this L. Alright, looks like Shopify didn't drop them at all. Oh god, dude, TSB is eating. Where's my W? No way! I got one! Oh my god, let's go! Dude, I thought these accounts were clipped. It's not. I know sneakers is just luck, but I really did not expect to hit, especially on this release. No way, a second one. Yo, this spot is goated. We got these New Balances that came in the mail today. These are Todd Snyder 992s. Super dope piece. I love it, but the bad thing is that the resale price isn't that good for these right now, but that doesn't mean it won't be in the future. Anyways, tomorrow we do have a couple of important releases. We have Jordan 6 Carmines and we have Air Force One's Love Letter. Personally, I'm going to be going all out for the Air Force Ones, get a few Carmines. I don't know, we'll see how I end up doing on the next episode.